There's things that I noticed that I do in this relationship that I didn't do in my past relationships to the capacity that I should have. The biggest thing for me is the way that I listen. I have always been very defensive. I've always been fight or flight. And I felt like I had to defend who I was and why I was the way I was because of the way I was treated and the things that was going on in those relationships. But because of how I'm loved and how I'm cared for in this one, I'm noticing that I listen more and I speak less, especially when there's a fallout, because I want to apply what another person is saying that they experience with me. I'm understanding that I'm not perfect, and there's areas that I can improve on. Another thing is holding myself accountable. Because of how I was being treated, I felt justified in how I spoke, how I treated, what I was doing. I felt justified because I wasn't being nurtured, watered, and cared for. However, I allowed somebody else to change who I was to my core because of what they were doing. Another thing that I noticed a big change in is being patient. I'm not a patient person. I want what the fuck I want right now or yesterday. But I do know that I'm understanding that life don't work like that. And if you want people to be patient with you, that's exactly what you have to give. Patience. And another big thing for me is I've always felt like you should pay so much attention to me. You should be so attentive that I should never say what I want or need. You should just know. And people cannot read your mind. I can't read minds. People can't read my mind. I learned that I have to be vocal about what I want and what I need. And that's in every area, financial, emotionally, physically. You have to be vocal because people don't read minds.